Tapat po sa inyo. This study on marketing strategy will explore on Champion's unique selling proposition, a Champion's commitment to trust and quality that penetrated the powder detergent market. This is Group 3 of Martma V83. The group is consist of Lindy Guzman and Lara Victoria Santos of Metro Bank, Rhea Ethel Gatbonton of Grupo Vino, Rodelis Guerra of Asia Pro, and Ryan Nazareno of Peerless Products Manufacturing. We will be touching on how Peerless Products Manufacturing Company or PPMC and Champion brand started, the current USP of Champion and who the company's primary target market is, a brief comparison among its major competitors and what their current USPs are, and lastly, the changes in the laundry industry and how Champion coped, survived, and retained its competitive factors. Peerless Products Manufacturing Corporation or PPMC was founded in 1963, rooted on the belief that Filipino consumers recognize and deserve genuine quality for their families. Moreover, Peerless launched the Champion brand in detergent bars in 1977, while in 2000s, together with the eventual launch of detergent powders, Champion became the primary pillar of laundry care products for PPMC. It has been said, time and again, that all great achievements come from a commitment of authenticity and being grounded in the best and most genuine of intentions. Since 2015, Champion has maintained a market share of 15% and consistently ranked third in the laundry category. Zooming into the main arena of competition, Champion has made a strategic move to ensure that its selling price is very much affordable to its primary target market. Now let's take a closer look on who the primary target market of Champion is. They're called Supra Moms. Supra means super. The Supra Moms who give importance on the laundry performance of the product and on its value for money. Let's dig deeper on its demographics. Supra Moms are between 35 to 45 years of age, belonging from C to D market segment. They can either be working mothers, single moms, or full-time housewives. For their lifestyle or psychographics, Supra Moms are considered meticulous when it comes to the cleanliness of their homes. They are friends with their fellow mothers who are most likely living on the same street. Hence, doing the groceries and looking after their families are the most important parts of their daily routine. As for the behavior, Supra Moms take care of the family laundry on a weekly basis, and they really put value on the maximum performance of the laundry products at a reasonable price, as these moms are frugal users of powder detergents. Supra Moms are also faced with two major pain points relative to the use of powder detergent. They are after the product's promise of thorough whitening and stain removal on the laundry. Bleaching, hand washing, soaking, and exposing the laundry under the sun need to be done separately from machine washing. And the next common problem is the separate buying of fabric conditioner to ensure that there is a long-lasting pleasant laundry scent after washing. To further understand the Supra Moms, let's see what their needs, wants, and demands are. Based on Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Supra Moms need to feel loved, gain self-esteem, and achieve self-actualization by giving protection to their families through washing and cleaning of the laundry. Supra Moms want a knockout cleaning power, a pure power care or the purity of the power granules without chalk mixture. They want an impressive laundry performance, affordability, pleasant scent, and product integrity and quality. And lastly, Supra Moms demand for clean, white, and stain-free laundry through an honest product performance at an affordable price. Champion has been known as a locally made laundry powder detergent brand which gives superior cleaning brought by its pure ingredients at a very affordable price. The launch of this detergent powder line took place in the early 2000s. Since then, Champion remains committed to the millions of Filipino mothers who seek superior cleaning when it comes to their family's laundry needs. In 2012, Champion launched a TV commercial with Ryan Agoncillo as its celebrity endorser. The ad was a creative representation of the laundry market with a subtle call to remain loyal to the brand because of its commitment to deliver superior cleaning performance which has been proven through the years. In 2013, Champion still banked on the credibility of Ryan Agoncillo as its endorser. With its TVC, it reinforced the pure ingredients of Champion down to its powder bits, which is its commitment to the Filipino mothers to give the purest and the best detergent powder in addressing their laundry needs. In 2014, Susan Rosas became the face of Champion. In the earlier years, Champion focused on establishing its superior cleaning performance as a laundry detergent powder, while this time, it took a turn by focusing on the target market, the mothers, as the inspiration in being true to its commitment. 2015 was a year of change for Champion, as it changed the brand logo and packaging. Since there was a need to reintroduce the change to the market, Ryan Agoncillo reappeared to its TVC as the endorser in the said year. This showed that despite the new brand logo and the new packaging, Champion still delivers the same superior cleaning performance with its pure ingredients. In 2016, there was a growing niche that Champion wanted to tap. These are the young professionals, or what we call the millennials, and this was the ultimate reason why Champion got Sarah Geronimo to be the face of its brand. To make it more appealing to the millennials, on top of its superior cleaning performance, the campaign conveyed that washing with Champion will not damage the color of the consumer's clothes. After 2 years with Sarah, Champion decided to refocus its communication and efforts to mothers. In 2019, Judy Ann Santos became its next celebrity endorser as there was a hiatus in communicating with its primary target market. Champion decided to produce 3 versions of the TVC. Now, let's take a quick look on how Champion focused on the hardworking mothers. May she be a lady guard?
Ratsyada ka. Pag uwi mo, tuloy pa rin ang trabaho.
Gawan ko ng paraan.
Sa galing mo, new Champion Supra Power ang katapat mo. With our most powerful whitening formula, ubos ang mancha para sa puting walang bakas. Ito ang mas maputi sa test. Para sa mga Supra nanay, new Champion Supra Power.
A single
Sa
mom.
mga single mothers, sila ang ama na kumakayod at ina na nag-aaruga. Kung iba, give up na?
Ma, paano ka? Nanda pa ako.
Ikaw, kaya pa. Sa galing mo, new Champion Supra Power ang katapat mo. With our most powerful whitening formula, ubos ang mancha para sa puting walang bakas. Ito ang mas maputi sa test.
Idol kita, ma!
Para sa mga Supra nanay, new Champion Supra Power.
Or a full-time housewife.
Sa bahay ka lang, full-time housewife. Sa totoo lang, hindi nauubos ang trabaho. Ang iba nangihina na.
Lagot tayo kay mami.
Pero ikaw, go pa rin. Sa galing mo, new Champion Supra Power ang katapat mo. With our most powerful whitening formula, ubos ang mancha para sa puting walang bakas. Ito ang mas maputi sa test.
Ma, wala nang mancha!
Para sa mga Supra nanay, new Champion Supra Power.
Through the years from then and now, Champion still uses Tapat po sa Inyo as its unique selling proposition, latching on its pure ingredients with no chalk that yields to superior cleaning. With this USP, Champion focuses and talks to mothers from C to D market segment, coined as super moms, who give importance to laundry performance and value for money. Because of its commitment to delivering superior cleaning, Champion builds trust and confidence when it comes to addressing the laundry needs and concerns of the Filipino families. As we analyze the changes in the long-standing USP of Champion in the recent materials, it is observed that it has modernized its brand logo and packaging to make it more appealing and aspirational to the target market. Tapat po sa Inyo had been boldened to strengthen its emphasis on the brand's USP. To make it more personal and make the target market more special, it has coined Supra Moms as a term of endearment to all mothers who patronize Champion as a laundry detergent powder brand. From 2019 up to present, Judy Ann Santos is still the face of Champion as she is the best representation of the target market. Moreover, her credibility as a celebrity appeals to the general Filipino masses, and her being a mother makes it more relatable to the other Filipino moms. We chose to highlight two variables in determining the uniqueness of powder detergents and establish why consumers would buy Champion over Tide, Surf, Speed, and Pride. First is price. As seen on the table, the brands are ranked from high price to low price. And the other variable is the target category of the Champion's primary consumers. As laundry is commonly associated with women, we tried to break down the categories into three, namely working moms, housewives, and individuals pertaining to unmarried man or woman. You would note that Champion is popular among working moms as the brand intends to address the needs, wants, and demands of supermoms who are after the value of money, quality of the product, and affordability. On parity points or similarities of brands, we have identified affordability, whitening formula, deodorizing factor, fragrance, stain removal, targeting housewives, general and modern trade availability, and online platforms. These points are considered as must-haves for the consumers to consider as an alternative product in the category. Champion whitens clothes with fragrance, cleans or removes stains, targets housewives, available in general or modern markets, just like the other brands. While on points of differentiation, Champion stands out in its primary target market of addressing the needs, wants, and demands of mothers, and more importantly, in providing product integrity or purity of ingredients as it has the technology of supra cleaning power. Now let's take a look on the USP of its competitors. Tide's primary target market has been seen focused on housewives. It is worth noting that Tide's advertisements over the years have been mostly played by male local artists such as Vic Soto, Alden Richards, Kirk Bondad, and Changdi, Edu, and Luis Manzano. This is because Tide wants to showcase its USP of toughness on dirt. Tide has also started to capture additional markets such as singles, men, and house husbands, as the responsibility of laundry is now shared by both genders. It has built the brand reputation over the years with its USP centering on Tide Perfect Clean Kaputiang Nangingibabaw, Tide New Insta-Bright, and recently with Tide Don't Sweat It. Helps remove microdirt that causes amoy pawis or sweat malodor in clothes, and no bitin clean sa Tide Perfect Clean. Known for its tagline, Wais na Misis, popularized by Lumen, wife of Lando, and mom of twin Anna and Maria, and now represented by mom with kids in TV ads, the primary target of Surf is women with family. Surf emphasizes on quality and affordability when it advertised labas sa Surf, walang makikitang pagkakaiba sa linis ng mas mamahaling bareta. It is the active technology which makes Surf a quality detergent because it whitens, removes foul smell, and gives fragrance with pinagaling magpaputi, magtanggal ng kulob, at mas pinabango. Packaging of Surf is also full of flowers to emphasize the fragrance benefit of the product, yet the price is affordable, thus singling pero di mamahalin. Basta washing machine, all you need is Pride. Pride Power Wash's USP is its suitability with washing machines. Kahit naka-washing machine na ako, kailangan ko pa din magkuskus. Unlike other detergent powder, there is no need for hand wash because of its promise that the clothes are completely clean after machine wash due to its stain-away formula. The target consumer of the brand is working middle class as described in the ads, buong araw sa opisina, pag-uwi haharapin pa ang labada. Speed Detergent Powder's USP centers on bilis laba, bilis linis. Speed babad kaya relax ka lang with 3 variants, Speed Calamansi, Speed Speckled Blue, and Speed Fabricon. A detergent powder with whitening agent that helps bring out the whiteness of the clothes. It contains speckles that help the detergent to penetrate the dirt from the clothes, making it easier to wash. The past year has been a game changer for almost everyone, especially the businesses, from their operation practices to sales and advertising. As we continue to adapt and respond To the challenges posed by COVID-19, several consumer trends have emerged. The link between household care products and cleanliness strengthened as hygiene has become the top priority of every household. However, due to the threat of household income, consumers became extremely price conscious while still observing the brand's quality. More so, Champion identified an opportunity as consumers are associating cleanliness with exterminating viruses and other unwanted microbes. With this, the new antibacterial formula integrating to the Supra Power powder variant was given relevance to today's context. Champion also reviewed its tiered pricing offered to the market, while its marketing arm takes on maximizing the advertising aspect via relevant media channels such as TV, radio, and digital. From the emergence of the COVID-19 pandemic, Champion was able to survive and cope with the changes that took place, while ensuring that its brand equity is protected. First, Champion partnered with e-commerce platforms such as Lazada and Shopee, where most of the consumers' non-contact buying or shopping are being done. Second, on trade level of FMCG, the firm opened partnership with selected distributors, expanding the trade distribution of the products while penetrating the membership-only groceries such as Landers and SNR is already in the pipeline. Also, Champion participated on several sale events and promos like Pure Gold's 11/11 sale. Third, Champion strengthened its merchandising display at the trade level. Fourth, Champion became more active on social media through Facebook advertisements which were heavily targeted. Focused on radio as this is the favorite pastime of the primary target market, which is the Filipino mothers. Champion also played part in digital advertising to ensure that the connection with the target market is still intact via promotions and staying relevant during COVID-19 crisis by posting using hashtags such as #IngatAngat tayong lahat, reminding customers with safety tips and acknowledging the frontliners. And lastly, the customer service level experience has been improved. Now, complaints directly go through the marketing department, and as a response, the said department directly contacts the complainant for a faster resolution time. Therefore, an effective USP should be able to provide a clear direction as to where the business is headed, define the business personality, create a brand reputation, and most importantly, set a differentiating factor that will make the brand stand out among the rest of the competition. To summarize, the presentation covered the beginnings of PPMC and Champion as a brand, Champion's unique selling proposition and its primary target market, Champion's major competitors, and the corresponding unique selling propositions, and lastly, the changes that have transpired in the laundry industry and how Champion was able to cope, survive, and remain competitive up to the present. Again, this is Group 3, and this is Champion's unique selling proposition and its commitment to trust and quality. Para sa mga super moms, tapat po sa inyo.